Do you ever feel like your screen looks too soft or hard to read, especially when you are looking at pop-up menus? If you have ever struggled to see menus clearly because of transparency of blur, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a helpful option. Let me show you how to make dialogs and menus easier to see by reducing transparency and blur. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen, and then enable Reduce Transparency and Blur. When this option is on, the system will remove the glossy effect on pop-ups and menus. This makes them stand out more clearly, especially if you have vision sensitivity or just prefer a simpler look. This feature doesn't change how your phone works, it just makes the interface easier on the eyes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.